In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Dropbox links. This process is essential for anyone who has accidentally deleted important files or folders. Understanding how to navigate through Dropbox's interface will save you time and frustration. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You will see a list of search results. Look for the official Dropbox website. It usually appears at the top of the search results. This is important because accessing the official site ensures you are using a secure and legitimate version of Dropbox. Once you find the correct link, click on it to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the recovery process. Next up, log into your Dropbox account. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials associated with your Dropbox account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity through a secondary method. This step is vital because it grants you access to your files, ensuring that only you can recover your data. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Dropbox homepage. From there, look for the Deleted Files option in the left-hand sidebar navigation. Click on it to view all the files and folders that have been deleted from your account. The Deleted Files section is a safe haven for your lost items. It is important to note that files remain here for a certain period before being permanently removed. This gives you a chance to recover them without losing your data forever. After that, browse through the list of deleted files or use the date filters to help locate your missing file or folder. The date filters allow you to narrow down your search, which can be a real time saver if you know when the file was deleted. Look for any recognizable names or dates that align with when you last accessed the file. This meticulous approach helps ensure you find the correct item. Once you have located the missing file or folder, check the box next to the item name. This will select it for recovery. After selecting the item, click the Restore button. This action is crucial as it initiates the recovery process. You will see a confirmation appear which reassures you that the restoration is underway. As a result, the file returns to its original path and the old link will start working again automatically. This means that anyone who had access to the shared link can use it once more. It is essential to remember that recovering files also restores their shared links, making collaboration seamless again. In summary, recovering deleted Dropbox links is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Always ensure you are on the official Dropbox website, log in securely, and utilize the deleted files section effectively. By doing this, you'll be able to safeguard your important documents and maintain your workflow without significant interruptions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you recover your deleted Dropbox links with ease.